Hey there, Greg Marchand. I get asked all the time about how to create an effective business plan. Look, to me, an effective business plan is one you're actually going to take action on, right? What do they say about it? Plan the work and work the plan. Oftentimes we'll sit and we'll plan. We love to plan. Look, I've been guilty of that in my life. We love to plan because the planning is easy, but the actual execution is difficult. So my advice on creating an effective business plan is keep it simple. What is your goal? What are you trying to accomplish? What are the top 3 things you can take action on that will help you accomplish that goal? List the steps of those 3 actions. Give yourself deadlines. Make sure you make those actions specific. Make sure you make those steps specific. Give yourself deadlines. Find an accountability partner, and that is how I just don't create an effective business plan. I work an effective business plan. Go get on it. Click that subscribe button if you like the content. Reach out to me if you need more. Keep up the great work and never, ever, ever stop learning.